Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So in today's tutorial we're going to be making these beautiful roses that you can see. So this roses is made with Organdy material, so that is what we use. So let us get started with the tutorial. So for the length we are going to be using 60 inches for this tutorial, and for the width we have 4.5. so this is 60 by 4.5, and on fold I'm going to be having 2.25 inches. So it now depends on how many pieces of roses you want to make. So for me, I want to make 7 pieces. So I've cut out 7 pieces here. So now we're going to be taking this to the sewing machine and we're going to start sewing. So to start sewing, so what you're going to do is just pick up one side of the edge, just the way I have done. Then you're going to make it like a triangle. You can see the way I did it. So let me repeat what I just did. I just picked one side and I made it like a triangle. So instead of you aligning the two sides together, I just bent one part of it and it's looking like a triangle. So just look at what I did. That's exactly how you are going to pick yours and you start sewing. So the reason why we picked it that way is because so that when we are joining it, it's not going to be straight. It's going to have like this funny effect. So whenever you are sewing on it, you will notice that it's giving you like a funny effect. That is what we want because we are making roses. So we want it to come out looking really beautiful. So you go ahead to sew it straight down, all the way down. So guys, now after we are done sewing, so you can see that it's looking funny, like it's looking like a spiral. So it's not really straight. So that is what we want. So now the next thing we are going to do now is to pleat. So we are going to make pleats. So you can see the way I am pleating it. So your joining allowance, exactly on your joining allowance, that is where you are going to be pleating. So you just go ahead to pleat everything because you know we cut out by 60, so it is too long for you to make roses. It's going to give you really tough time. So the best thing for you to do is to pleat it to probably like 10 or 15 inches, no, to probably like 15 to 20 inches, so that you can form your roses very well and you can adjust at intervals. So what we're just going to do now is just to pleat it. So I'll just go ahead to pleat all of this now. So now after you're done gathering it on the sewing machine, you should have something like this. So please make sure that when you are gathering, you have at least half inches here, so that it's going to be easy for you to hold and fold down. So now let's get started. So the first thing is you fold it this way. So we're going to do this and you'll be tacking it at intervals. So I'll just go ahead to tack this a little. So you're just going to continue turning it the way I am doing this way. So it can be a little tricky. So that is why you need to be careful. You're going to do it gently. So if you make any mistake, you can just unfold it and fold it back properly. Then when you are pinning it, when you are using your needle and thread, make sure that you are picking your sewing allowance. You are picking everything together. But when it becomes too hard for you to pick, you can just, that's when you can start adjusting your hand. Like you will not pick everything from under, but make sure that you tack every part together. So that is how it's going to be easy for you, and you'll be able to like make the rose and it will come out really neat. So I had to fast forward so that the video won't be too long. So now this is what we have. So you can see how beautiful, and I made sure to tack every part of it. So I'll go ahead to do this for the remaining parts of the pieces because I'm making 7. So let me go ahead to finish it up. So guys, this is everything we have at the end of the tutorial. So I made 7 roses looking really beautiful. So guys, thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you tried yours and I hope this video was detailed enough for you to understand and I'm going to be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.